So I had two classes, and so each had a final project. The final projects, I will say, are very in depth, right? So I've taken other competency-based education programs. I did an MBA, right, and it was competency-based. And those projects, in comparison, these ones are much more comprehensive and applicable to like real world jobs and what you do. So the first one I did, it was really looking at an employer challenge and a problem and trying to figure out how could AI help support that particular problem, which is impactful for when you're working in the workplace, because that's what you're doing, right? Even whatever your level is, when you're thinking about using AI, you really should be thinking about what's the problem that I'm trying to solve first, and then figuring out what's the best road to be able to help solve that challenge. And knowing what AI can actually do for real is what's going to help you be able to make the right decisions. So that was a really impactful thing. In the second course that I took, I also got to really dive into the data side of it, and which was extremely interesting for me in my role and what I do in my job. And so being able to get in and play around with actual tools and use things and create presentations, there's a lot of more focused on how would I present this. And so being able to have more real world kind of activities was really helpful.